Ego is inversely proportional to knowledge. Greater the knowledge, lesser the ego. Lesser the knowledge, greater the ego. Relationships never die a natural death. They are always murdered by an attitude, behavior, ego, and ignorance. Ego is only requirement to destroy any relationship. So the bigger person skip the E and let it go. Apologizing does not always mean that you are wrong and the other person is right. It just means that you value your relationship more than your ego. The main difference between attitude and ego is that attitude makes you different from others, whereas ego makes you alone. Too much ego will kill your talent.